How to change Slack icon. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to change the icon of the app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Select it. Then tap onto Preferences. Tap on it. Then here you can find something like this. Now tap onto App icon right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find different options: white, aubergine and black. Now choose one just like this and tap on to OK. Now go back and here you can find the icon of the app has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change Slack icon. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.